Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gas valve for Pitco part #60,125,202. The Pitco 60,125,202 gas valve is a replacement part for Pitco fryers. It is designed to control the flow of gas to the fryer and regulate the temperature. The valve is made of brass and has a 1/2 NPT inlet and outlet. It has an adjustable pressure regulator that allows you to adjust the gas pressure from 0 to 10 psi. The valve also features a manual shut-off lever, which allows you to quickly shut off the gas supply in case of an emergency. This valve is compatible with natural gas or propane, and it comes with all necessary mounting hardware for easy install. This part fixes the following symptoms. This gas valve is designed to replace the existing gas valve on a Pitco fryer. It can help to fix issues such as the fryer not heating up properly or not reaching the desired temperature. It can also help to reduce the amount of energy used by the fryer, as well as improve its overall efficiency. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the gas supply to the fryer. 2. Remove the existing gas valve from the fryer. 3. Install the new gas valve by connecting it to the gas line with a flexible hose and securing it with a pipe clamp. 4. Connect the other end of the flexible hose to the inlet of the new gas valve and secure it with a pipe clamp. 5. Turn on the gas supply and check for leaks using a soapy water solution or leak detector spray. If there are any leaks, tighten all connections until they stop leaking. 6. Once all connections are secure and no leaks are present, you can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com. Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.